Hey everyone, I am coming here to share with you a oil that I have been trying out for about a month now. I tried it for 2 weeks and then I took a break and then I tried it for like another few weeks, so it equaled out to about a month of use. And it is called Beautify by Chana, and it came with this bag. And then it also came with a card, so I'll insert a picture of it because I think one of my kids ran off with it. So the first bottle I got was a 2 ounce, and minus like all the oil stains, this is what it looks like. So it has Beautify by Chana on it, and then it has like the directions on this side, and then it has the ingredients on this side. And so what it has in it is Chebe powder to lock in moisture, fenugreek seeds to prevent breakage, aloe vera powder to boost healthy scalp, saw pimento to promote healthy hair, green tea to boost hair growth, jojoba oil to soften, and castor oil for thickness, and then vitamin E to reduce stress. So yeah, it came in this little bottle, and so when I got this one, I used this one in about 2 weeks, and it was because I put it on my scalp, and then I also used it as an oil step when I was putting in Chebe, like the traditional way. So that's why I ran out of this one so quick. So then she sent a bigger bottle, and then I didn't use it as the oil step in my Chebe process. I just did it on my scalp. So it lasted me a lot longer. And this one is a 4 ounce bottle, so you can tell the difference in the size. Okay. But I think if you're just doing your scalp, this probably will last you maybe like three weeks, maybe a whole month. And then definitely this one will last you a whole month. And with this one, I still have a tad bit left, if you can see. So I do plan on using it again at a later time to see if I get any different results. So first things first, I do like it. I like the bottle and then it comes with like a dropper for you to get it out. And that's what it looks like. It's like a greenish color. And it smells really, really good. And then also, I don't know if you can see in the bottle at the bottom, like right in here, it actually has seeds in it. I'm thinking they're fenugreek seeds, but I'm not completely sure. But I think that's what's sitting at the bottom. So about the oil, like I said, it smells amazing. Like, it has a wonderful smell. And it does keep my hair moisturized. When I did use it with the Chebe powder, it acted just as any other oil as far as the Chebe steps. And then when I use it on my scalp, I don't typically use oils on my scalp at all, but when I did use this oil, I did like it because it did keep my scalp really moisturized. Like, I didn't apply it every day. The directions say that you should apply it every day, but I noticed like I would apply it one day, and then the next day my scalp would still have oil on it. It would still be moisturized. So like literally, like if I touch it, my scalp, it would still have oil on it. So I didn't apply it because I didn't want to overdo it. So it is thick, but it's not thick. It's like a medium consistency. So it's not thick as like black castor oil, but then it's not runny like other oils either. So it's like a mix in between. And so it doesn't run as quickly or as much as some oils that I'm used to. So like I said, I did use it every other day. It did keep my scalp moisturized, and then also it cut down on the smell of me using the traditional Chebe powder. So the smell of this oil kind of gave my hair a nice fragrance versus just the regular Chebe powder smell. And it may be that since it has Chebe powder in it, that's why it's keeping my scalp a little more moist. Did not get any scalp irritation or dandruff or anything by using the oil. It doesn't, like you saw, it doesn't have like Chebe powder, literally like the specks of powder in it. I think it was more infused with the Chebe powder and then taken out. So, and plus it's masked with other oils, so that's probably why it doesn't irritate my scalp. But of course, you would have to try it to see if it will irritate your scalp. So other than it being a moisturizing hair oil, it is called a Miracle Growth Oil. And if you look at her website and like Instagram and things like that, and I'll leave all the information in the description box just in case you want to try it. But if you look at her pages and things like that, you will see people who have gotten like amazing growth, like I think it's like 2 or 3 inches in a few weeks of using it. So you can definitely go check that out. But for me, like I said, I used the small bottle at first, and then I ran out, and that was after about 2 weeks. And then, so I had to wait until some more came, and then I started back after, and it took me, it probably was about a 2-week break in between, maybe a week and a half. And then I started back using it again for like another few weeks, and to see if anything would change. But I guess I did not get any growth, so I can't say that the growth part worked for me. But as far as keeping my scalp moisturized, it definitely did that. And I didn't have any adverse side effects from like dandruff or itchiness or anything like that. It does soothe itchiness as well. So, but as far as, like I said, growth, I did not get any growth. My hair was the same exact length. So I decided to just stop using it for a little while, and then I will come back to it probably in a few months to see if I try it again and see if I get any growth. But I do know that with fenugreek, me and fenugreek never really mixed well. I've tried like the peels before, and some other things I've tried with fenugreek, just like by itself, or like I tried fenugreek powder and mixing it in with grease and stuff, and me and fenugreek just do not get along. And I think fenugreek is like one of I think it's a growth stimulant. Let me look at her bottle. Hers says to prevent breakage, but I also think fenugreek is used for growth aid as well. I'm not sure. But I know me and fenugreek, like I said, never get along. So that could have been a reason that I didn't experience growth. But like I said, if you look at her social media and Instagram and things like that, you will see people who did get growth. So maybe you want to try it. I will leave the link in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys soon.